Hi guys, we get what ifs all the time, right? And there's no need for you to ask anybody else but one of the AI tools to help you if you are struggling with difficult things. One of the things that we have recently developed is the Arcoinstall. It means that you don't need calamares anymore. You go with the official ArcoLinux ISO, but then we change a little bit the Arcoinstall, and the end result is a beautiful XFC. We can show you our XFC, the default from ArcoLinux, but it could have been the default of BSPWM or Awesome, so you choose inside. The thing is, when we log out in the Arcoinstall, you have the choice to use LightDM, to use any of those display managers. We choose sddm as a default on ArcoLinux because there's so many nice themes. But this is the default theme, and it just hit me, why don't I make a script? Right? Why don't I make a script that says, get me my theme? And all I need to do and remember is this. If I can make a small script or a small alias to say this, get ArcoLinux SDDM simplicity git. That's it. That's all I need to do. This comes in, all the dependencies come in, right? And when you log out, you get this. As simple as that. But what if, right? What if we created something in the package of Arcoinstall? Yes, we have specific packages. This one does the development, this one, and this one, right? Also development. So what if we put something in? Let's start with development always. First, often we have these get me things. Get me, get this, get that, right? All kind of get things, get chat-wdm, get this, get that. Maybe we should put it in the list with the get guys. Set guys, run guys, remove guys, right? Remove is also important that I show you that once more, right? So commands. Get me what? Get chat-wdm. No, Control C, Control V. Get me, nope, not that one. F2. Get simplicity, basically, right? Maybe you don't know, SDDM simplicity. Okay, get SDDM simplicity. That's all we need to do, and all of that is not necessary. Sure, we can do that. Why not? Let's keep the function. It's an interesting way of doing things. So at the top is a function install chat-wdm. So basically I can say this is done simplicity. Function install simplicity, and all the rest can go. It's a bit overkill, right? But the structure is valid, and it's interesting maybe to keep this for your future things. Simplicity git. Okay, and it's going through the list. It's going to count. Number 1 is going to be installed. Number 2 is going to be installed. Function install goes up here. Function install, it says nah, it's already installed, and otherwise no confirm needed, that one. So if it's already installed, it won't be installed needed, but it's already checked here actually. And the rest is function install chat-wdm. So no, not this one. That's specifically for chat-wdm. Now we've renamed chat-wdm, does not exist anymore. The function is now called install simplicity. Install simplicity. Save. So basically it doesn't do anything with all of that. It just goes down, finds this, goes up, and says I need to install SDDM simplicity. That is its task. Some color and so on. That's the ArcoLinux. Okay, then we count and we go in here in the function for done. So a loop, right? But with a just loop once for 1 and 1, right? So just once. And the function install is up here, and we're good to go. Save. So get some this particular thing. Get SDDM simplicity is here. It says installing blah blah blah. It says it's already installed. Great, and otherwise it will be installed. And that's as simple as that. We're gonna add get-sddm-simplicity to the packages. From now on you can stop watching the movie, the video, right? But I'll just show you what you need to do if you're gonna be an ISO builder. Check yourself. Well, let's get ahead, but that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to compare, of course. This one is new, not there. This is the development, so you don't get it. You have the official one, this one. And then we put everything online. You just do it one by one, or Arcoinstall system config. That's the one, number 26. I'll show you the script. Get SDDM simplicity. Voila. So the script for this thing, 26, where are you? 25, 26, 26. This is it. Basically pushing everything. If remember at some point in time, GitHub and GitLab, we used GitHub, I think it was, had main and then later, no, had master and later on it changed to main. So if this then that, if this then that, push it online. Add everything. So the basic commands you do always to push something. I don't like to type. So we run this script and it pushes everything online. And it is now pushed, but not built. So I go to the building department. And the building of the thing is here. Let's have a look at the number. We compare. We see the number, last number was 0203. So 02 is February and 03 is the one now. This is the system config. Again, go inside that particular thing, 250203. Ooh, watch out. Yes. And it gets built. Building is nothing because it's not online then. Go to the ArcoLinux repo and you push it online if it's finished. So if you are on Arcoinstall, if you use that ISO to install it, you get it in, you can actually quickly say get SDDM simplicity, and it's automatically, anywhere it goes, automatically it will save it. It's kind of a, only with that one I think we've done that, because hey, going inside files and saying that it's that theme, you decided to install it, you know it's gonna be that theme, right? This is not normal. This is not normal. The numbers were not okay. Arcoinstall, I think I did something wrong there. Let's back up. So we should get 2 new files, right? And it's gonna go on ArcoLinux repo, that's correct. So what did I do wrong? Let's go back. The package build, Arcoinstall system config. Arcoinstall system config 250203. Sure. You know what doesn't cost any money? Building it again. Doesn't cost us anything. So 04. And this one, right? Number 19. Yeah. And often I jump like, whoop, let's go to 5. Or 10 or 20 or 30. Jump, so to be sure that all the packages that are need to be updated at the same time have the same number, and you see immediately, remember immediately, yeah, we jumped all of those packages to 10. So it is in the ArcoLinux repo, check, all right, so repo, ArcoLinux repo. I need to see those new packages, otherwise I've made another mistake. We can have a look as well here in the meantime. ArcoInstall system config 5, and here they are. So 3 goes out, 3 goes out, 5 comes in, right? 3 goes out, 5 comes in, and that's exactly what I want to see. And now, if that's done, I can go back in here, test it out immediately. Control T, update, update is good as well. We're flexible. And you saw that the Arcoinstall system config git is installed. Yeah, it's number 3. It wants to install, but I'm gonna go quickly to this one. So another server. This one is quick as hell. So that's number 5. And we get a get something. What can we get? We can get sddm-simplicity. We can get Nemesis on ArcoLinux and also on ATT. So wherever I am, if I install ATT, I can get the Nemesis scripts. I always can get get-sddm anywhere, also via ATT. So get sddm-simplicity. It's already installed, he says. So I need to test it. What if it's not installed? There are some messages. Maybe we can write something if we remove it. That don't show anything. It wants to change things, and that's our way of fixing things. So normally you don't see this, right? Because, well, you're not going to remove it on ArcoLinux for sure. But yeah, we could add some lines there. Okay, voila, done. So if you install it, if you run the get thing, get sddm-simplicity, if you run it, it says, oh, it's not there, let's go get it. Of course, ArcoLinux repo needs to be active, and then it's gonna set everything anywhere, and off we go, and we're back to something nice. Well, it's nice. It's minimal, right? It's minimal. It gives us the options we need. Nice little clock. I mean, I don't need anything more. That's it for now. Now we've explained to you how to create something that maybe you're missing. You can always give us your suggestions. I made this, I made that. And say, oh, that's a good idea. What ifs are always welcome. Cheers.